Doodle-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo, it's Bruce's Booze Review! Cha-cha!
This is Empress 1908 Gin. Why 1908? Well, that's when the Fairmont Empress Hotel opened its doors, way back in 1908. Such a simple, elegant looking bottle, isn't it? With its copper lid and white ribbon. This gin was created specifically for the grandiose Fairmont Empress Hotel. They partnered up with a spirit distillery in Canada, Victoria Distillers. It's made on Vancouver Island in British Columbia. As you can see, it's a blue gin, kind of a bright indigo blue, or even purple actually. Oh yeah, the nose is classic. It smells like a gin should smell. Juniper up front with some spices and citrus going on. Let's give this a taste. It does look purple, doesn't it? Oh yeah. It has the crispness of a London Dry with those bright tones of juniper and grapefruit. Oh yeah, gin in the morning. Definitely grapefruit, almost candied grapefruit peel. Other botanicals used in the making of this gin, and these are all organic by the way, are ingredients of rose petal, coriander, ginger root, and cinnamon bark. They even incorporate what the Empress Hotel is famed for, its high tea. They distilled about 20 teas from their tea room and narrowed it down to 2, experimenting with hundreds of small distillations. So it took a while to create this beautiful gin. As for the other ingredients in this gin, well, that's a well-guarded secret. So at first you think, well, what makes it blue? And then you think, oh great, they've added dye to the mix. Not at all. The hue comes from butterfly pea blossoms steeped post-distillation. I gotta try this again, you know, I really do. More gin in the morning. Yeah, the flowers, butterfly pea and rose, seem to be up first on the tongue. Although it's kind of hard not to be influenced by the color, well, it gets pushed aside by the ginger and cinnamon combination. I think the ginger also gives it a little tropical heat too. The grapefruit peel along with the juniper seem to be somewhat tempered until you swallow. Now, the really cool thing about Empress 1908 is that it's a color-changing gin. When you add citrus or tonic, this gin transforms magically, and who doesn't like magic? From a bold indigo to a soft pink or purple. Overall, this is a lovely, lovely gin. A modern gin that's pretty damn tasty. It manages the feat of both being simple and complicated with every sip. It's a no-nonsense gin that I think you're gonna like. It'll take your tongue to places you never thought existed. Feeling thirsty? Look at that. Look at that blue. Look at how wonderful that blue looks. Beautiful. And let's make it change color. Oh yeah, look at, now it's like a purple pink, isn't it? Beautiful. And now a little splash of tonic. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. You know, we are having a heat wave again here, and this is my kind of G&T. That's delightful.
Doodle-doo-doo, doodle-doo-doo, it's Bruce's Booze Review! Cha-cha!